Alright guys, we're going to go ahead and review this Walmart bike. It's called the Genesis Whirl. This is a 21 speed and I bought this for my girlfriend. I did have to upgrade the seat. The seat was a little uncomfortable, so that's the first thing we had to do is upgrade the seat. When you buy a Walmart bike, make sure you guys always tighten everything. Don't just start riding it the way it is. Make sure you start tightening. You tighten everything. This is a nice bike, actually. She likes it. Purple is one of her favorite colors, and the 21 speed is nice. We go out and ride at the Rio Grande Bosque, so take a look at our videos on our channel about the Rio Grande Bosque. When we ride through there, it's very beautiful. It's been good to her. The brakes have been working good. The only thing that I've noticed is the gears are not properly aligned, so we might have to take it to a bike shop for them to tune the gears, because they don't go in sometimes the way it should. Nice, good, thick tires on it. When we bought it for $130 at Walmart. It's not bad. It's not a bad entry-level bike. Let's go ahead. I'm going to go ahead and ride it. There's no review if I don't ride it, right? So let's go ahead and ride it. Oh, one more thing. Well, we decided to put on here these little LED flashlights. You can actually buy these at Walmart too. Get these LED flashlights, and then you get some zip ties and just zip tie them on there. Boom! Now you have flashlights. Pretty cool stuff. So let's go ahead and try it out. It's got forward shocks on it, which work pretty well actually. Let's finish this video as soon as possible because riding a purple bike is not very manly for a man. Alright, so right now we're in 6th gear. I'm going to bring it down to 1st or 2nd here. So that's 1st gear right there. Put it up to 7th gear. Back brakes work good. Front brakes work good. Not a bad bike. Not a bad bike. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. And stay tuned for more bike reviews. We have 2 more to review, so stay tuned.